It's so nice having you on this lesson today. How's your day going? Yeah, you say fantastic? Well, my day is going matastic because mathematics makes my day very awesome. Today we are going to look at a new way of relating manipulative to a written method. I know that you can do it, so just say with me, I can relate manipulative representations to a written method. Again, I can relate manipulative representations to a written method. I hope you still have your subtraction flashcards with you, because today we're going to be doing subtraction. But first, I want us to quickly do a little practice. Look at the number on your screen, 184. 184. If I say zap the digit 8 to 0, you say subtract 80 because 8 in 184 is in the position of tens in our place value chart. So 8 represents 80, 1 represents 100, and 4 represents 4 ones. So when I say zap 8 to 0, you say subtract 80. Then you tell me the number sentence. Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Zap 8 to 0. Can I say subtract 80? So the number sentence will therefore be 184 minus 80. 184 minus 80. And what will be my answer? 104. What if I now say zap the digit 1 to 0? Zap the digit 1 to 0. Good. Take 1 to 0, which means 184 minus 100. And my answer will be what? 84. Lovely. What if I now go further and say zap the digit 3 to 0? Zap the digit 3 to 0. That simply says 173 minus 3. And my answer will be 173 to 0, 0, which is 170. Let's go further with. Now, this is 256. Zap the digit 2 to 0. Zap the digit 2 to 0. I simply mean, and what will you say? Good, subtract 200 from 256. And my answer will be what? Lovely, 56. Okay, now what if we go further and say, rename the units? You're going to tell me the number sentence. I have 30 ones. 30 ones is equal to 3 tens. Lovely. 30 ones is equal to 3 tens. And then 20 ones is equal to 110 and how many ones? Simply saying 10 plus dash, which means 20 tens is made up of 2 10, which means 110 plus 110, which is 110 and 10 ones. Lovely. What if we say 27 ones? 27 ones is 110 and 17 ones. Okay, 30 ones. 30 ones is equal to 2 tens and good 10 ones. Beautiful. 32 ones therefore will be 2 tens and 12 ones. Can you put a round of applause for yourself? Come on, clap for yourself. You're doing good. You're doing so good. 38 ones is what? 2 tens and 18 ones. Lovely. Lovely. 41 will be what? 40 ones Good. 40 ones is 3 tens and 10 ones. 3 tens and 10 ones. 46 ones will be 3 tens and 16 ones. And 50 ones will be 4 tens and 10 ones. 63 ones will be 5 tens and 13 ones. While 88 ones is going to be 7 tens and, can you figure it out? 18 ones. Lovely. Alright, now let's take a look at this question, this little problem I'm having. Can you help me solve it? Okay. 114 people went to the fair. 89 of them went in the evening. How many went during the day? 114 people went to the fair. 89 of them went in the evening. How many went during the day? What method can I possibly use to handle this question? Okay, good. I'm going to first of all figure out, is this an addition problem or subtraction problem? If 114 people went to the fair, 89 of them went in the evening, how many went during the day? I have the total number of people that went to the fair, and I have the part that went in the evening. Therefore, this is a subtraction problem. So simple. I have 114 minus 89. Can you quickly do that for me? Come on. I'm giving you some seconds to figure that out. 114 minus 89. Beautiful. Your answer is simply what? Come on, can you shout it? 25. Beautiful. Now let's look at this. Today we are going to use place value disk to help us solve problems in vertical method when the numbers are larger. Place value disk, you remember? Good. And this is the problem. 175 minus 56. Take a look at the ones. 5 ones and 6 ones. There's no way I can take away 6 ones from 5 ones. Therefore, 5 we have to go to its neighbor, 7, and say tens. You have 7. Please, can you give me just 1 10? And when I take 1 10 and add to my 5, I will have 15. So 15 minus 6, that gives me 9. My 7 tens has become 6 tens. So 6 tens minus 5 will give me 1. And of course, there's nothing under 1, so I have 1, 1, 9. 175 minus 56 is 119. 115 minus 56 therefore will be what? I want you to solve with me. What I do, you do. First, I have to take a 10. Take the tens, the 1 tens, and add to my 5 ones, making 15 ones. 15 minus 6. Good, that gives us 9. There's nothing left in the ones, so I have 0 tens there. 0 tens. And there's no way I can take away 5 from 0. So I'm taking the 1 in the 100 and bringing it to tens. So which means I now have 1 and 0, which is 10 tens. 10 tens minus 5 tens will give me 5. And there's nothing left in the 100, so I'm having what? 59. 115 minus 56 is 59. If you know you really understand that, then let's work out this one together. Again, subtraction is fun. 165 minus 4. Well, in this case, I have a smaller ones, so 5 can easily subtract 4. We can easily take away 4 from 5. So 4 away from 5 leaves us with 1. But we cannot take away 7 from 6, so I have to take the 1 in the 100 and decompose. Remember that word, decompose. When I bring my 100 to tens, it becomes 10 tenths. So I'm having 16 tenths minus 7 tenths. 16 tenths minus 7 tenths will give us what? Good, gives me 9 tenths. So my answer is 91. 165 minus 74 is 91. And again, 156 minus 78. 156 minus 78. 156 minus 78. Can I take away 8 from 6? No. 6 is too small. 8 is too big. What do? Go to the tens. Decompose 110 and bring it to the ones. 110 added to my 6 ones becomes 16. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 will give me 8. And 4 tens cannot take away 7 ones, so 7 tens. So I go again to the 100 and decompose, leaving me with 14 tens. Take away 7 tens. 14 tens minus 7 tens gives me 7 tens. So 156 minus 78 will still give me 78. And the last one, 112 minus 89. 112 minus 89. Okay, what do? Where do we start from? Start from your ones. Start from the ones. 2 ones, 9 ones. 9 ones is bigger, so 2 has to do what? Decompose. Decompose a 10. That brings me to 12 ones minus 9 ones, and that is 3. I have nothing left in my tens, so I decompose again. Decompose 100 and bring the 100 to the 0 tens. It becomes 10 tens. 10 tens take away 8 tens gives me 2. So 112 minus 89 is 23. 12 minus 89 is 23. Come on, put your hands together for yourself. You're doing good. Subtraction is fun and it's easy, like eating a cake. Can you try out these problems if you really followed my lesson? Just quickly solve the following problems using the vertical form, your place value chart, and place value disk. Onboard a 10 or 100 when necessary. Show your work for each problem. The first one there is easy. 72 minus 49. 83 minus 49. 118 minus 30. 118 minus 85. If you're done with that, come on, the answer is simple. Lovely. I believe you enjoyed this class.